Imagine being bitten by a snake so fast, you wouldn't even see it coming. That's the reality for many of their prey. New research has unveiled the incredible speed and diverse techniques venomous snakes use to strike, offering vital clues about how their fangs and venom work in tandem to subdue their victims. We're talking speeds as quick as 60 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. But here's where it gets controversial: are all snake bites created equal, or do different types of snakes have their own unique strategies? To answer this, a team of scientists meticulously filmed 36 different species of venomous snakes in action. Using high-speed cameras capturing footage at 1,000 frames per second, they studied how these snakes attacked a ballistic gel target designed to mimic the texture of human skin and muscle. This allowed them to break down the bite into its individual components, revealing fascinating differences between snake families. This research, published in the Journal of Experimental Biology, focused on three major groups: vipers, elapids, and colubrids. Vipers, like the sharp-nosed pit viper, are lightning-fast strikers. The study showed they can strike in under 100 milliseconds. What's particularly interesting is their fang deployment strategy. Before injecting venom, vipers actually walk their fangs forward, carefully positioning them for optimal penetration. Professor Alastair Evans of Monash University, a co-author of the study, explained that vipers can unfold their fangs just before impact. This allows them to keep their fangs tucked away for protection and then rapidly deploy them for a precise strike. Elapids, including the rough-scaled death adder and the Cape coral snake, tend to be more stealthy hunters. They often sneak up on their prey before launching a series of rapid bites. And this is the part most people miss: unlike vipers, elapids have permanently erect fangs, which are typically shorter. Evans noted that the multiple biting action helps to contract the muscles surrounding the venom gland, maximizing venom delivery. The elapid family is quite diverse, encompassing cobras, mambers, and many venomous Australian snakes like taipans and eastern browns. However, the specific strike patterns of these iconic species weren't detailed in this particular study, leaving room for further investigation. Colubrids, such as the mangrove snake, display a markedly different biting style. Their fangs are located towards the back of their mouths. This means they have to open their mouths incredibly wide to effectively inject venom. But there's a catch. Once they've latched on, they employ a soaring or rotating jaw motion to cut into their prey. This action, presumably, enhances venom penetration. The researchers even captured an unexpected event: a blunt-nosed viper's fang snapping off during a strike. That was quite dramatic, obviously, Evans recounted. This observation sheds light on how snakes can lose fangs during feeding, with broken fangs sometimes found in their droppings. Fortunately, losing a fang isn't a major setback for snakes, as they continuously grow new ones throughout their lives. Ultimately, this research underscores the importance of understanding the intricate hunting strategies of venomous snakes. Evans emphasizes that this knowledge is crucial for developing effective conservation and protection plans. By delving into their diets and hunting methods, we can design strategies that truly support their survival. Dr. Silker Cloran, the lead author of the study, conducted the research at Venomworld, a venom production facility near Paris. Dr. Alessandro Palsai of Flinders University, who wasn't involved in the study, praised the research for filling in gaps in our knowledge of snake strike behavior. He noted that the observed behavioral differences between viperids, elapids, and colubrids align well with what we already know about their fang anatomy. So, what do you think? Does this research change your perception of snakes? And given the diversity of striking techniques, should conservation efforts be tailored to specific snake families? Share your thoughts below.